Hello, welcome to Tijuana, Baja California, Mexico. It's an honor for me to introduce you our new division in Suo Modern Contemporary, Suo Upholstery, based and manufactured in Tijuana, Baja California. Since 2005, when Suo Modern has been established in Northern California, we have had a lot of dreams, and day by day our dreams are coming true. This is our new launching division, Suo Upholstery, manufactured in Mexico, Tijuana. Let me show you what are we doing here in Tijuana. You're gonna get surprised. In the upholstery, highly skilled sewers and upholsterers make all our tailoring nice and unique, creating a high-end look in all our items, included full padded size and back. For the frame shop, all our procedures has been cut by CNC machinery. All our frames coming in solid birchwood double face brushes. In the frame assembling, the complete frame comes supported with glued corner blocks. For foam, we use only 1.8 density foam in all our seatings, wrapped in fiber. In the backs are filled equally with a virgin conjugate fiber with tested white piece and piece. For legs, in each sofa comes with a fully wooden feet and hide in a separate bag in the bottom of each piece. For packing, every piece is packed with a polystyrene wrapping and cardboard and plastic bag. As you've seen, step by step, we are ready to work together with your company, supplying all your upholstery needs. The best styles with the best quality, no matter the quantity you order. So don't hesitate in place your first order. Your sales force and your final customer will be very happy and excited to have these goodies on your floor. Be part of our new division and start increasing your sales with this great and good looking product on your floors. This is Suo Upholstery.